Hello, it's Alicia with WTI. Do you try to eat gluten-free? Well, I want to show you this Barilla oven-ready lasagna noodles because this is a big deal if you're gluten-free. Trying to find gluten-free lasagna noodles is a difficult chore, but I have found them and they are not only gluten-free, but they are no-boil noodles. So it is an absolute breeze to make gluten-free lasagna at home, which is just awesome. So here's what they look like. They're nice flat sheets, just like your regular no-boil lasagna noodles that have gluten, and these ones instead are made with rice and corn. It tastes absolutely delicious and it's so easy to use because you don't have to pre-boil them. You just layer the noodles in with your layers of lasagna and that's it. Then you bake it and you're good to go. And they come out awesome. So they are not mushy. They are just the perfect texture. They have a really nice flavor. And honestly, most people don't notice that these are gluten-free noodles, that they're different from any other. So if you're looking for a way to make a delicious homemade gluten-free lasagna, look no further than the Barilla oven-ready lasagna sheets. Gluten-free, they're awesome. I love it. That's my point of view.